Bye.
See you guys on the flip side.
See ya. Safe travels.
Now we are really going to be alone.
We are.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
So Scott and Shauna are leaving us today. Wow. We're gonna miss them. We've really had a really good time visiting with them, getting to know them. So our little semicircle is going to be very vacant. Just be us. It's really thinned out in this area. Just our schooly friend down there. We are headed to lunch today. We're going to go to, what is it, the Three Family Diner or something like that.
It's green.
It's a green building. Here in Quartzsite, we are meeting with some friends of ours that we met at the RV Dreams rally 3 years ago. David and Celia. So they are in the area and wanted to get together again. They did come over for a little bit one day and visited. And so now we're going to go to lunch with them. So we'll let you know how it is. Hoping it's good. Company will be good anyway.
Yeah.
So there it is, that green building right there. Can't miss it. Times 3 Family Restaurant, that's what it is called. Well, we're done with lunch. It's Times 3 Family Restaurant. It was so-so. It was okay. They had a good dessert. I had like a peanut butter chocolate pie thing. It was good.
Hey, the company was great.
Yes, David and Celia, it was wonderful seeing them again, spending time visiting with them. Don't know when the next time is we'll get to see them, so we have to enjoy it while we can. It's a beautiful day today. So we need to get home to Bear so she can go play outside for a little while. Town has thinned out quite a bit. Not a whole lot of traffic. Still some stuff going on, places people are selling things. Still some RVs for sale here and there. Well, La Mesa has vacated. They're all gone. Look at that. Totally empty. Well, not totally. There's some stuff way in the back. They're closed. They're done. Wonder how many they sold. There's the big laundromat. And that's good food.
Good restaurant, Main Street restaurant.
Yep, there's the laundromat. The big one anyway. Which we stay here much longer, we're gonna need to go to it. I was trying to avoid having to go do laundry here. And this Patty's RV park right up here, that's where we got propane. Right there. See down here, over here, is where they got, I think this one's the Jayco's for sale. There's like 3 lots down here that still have RVs.
Want to go to the naked bookstore, guy?
No, thank you.
Okay.
No.
Go in and ask him what's hanging.
There's the Jayco's. Oh God. No, I don't really care to know. It's a consignment lot over here. So there's still people here trying to sell their RVs. Look at how empty we are. Nobody's here.
Looks like we have an RV on Mars.
I know. Nobody around.
Oops, I'm gonna run over the dog.
That's nice.
There it goes.
Oh my God, Tom thinks he ran over his dog poop bag. Oh, you did. Oh my God, Tom.
I didn't mean to.
You flattened it. Oh, it sounded like the bag popped actually when we ran over it.
You need to clean that up.
I'm not cleaning it up.
Here. Here's what I'll do. I'll go over there and pick it up with your food in my hand.
No, get it. No. Thank you. Oh my God.
I can't get this open. Trash anyone?
Oh my God. Nice. Nice. He ain't been driving long. You have to excuse him.
Come on now.
I unlocked the door, so let's
Honestly,
see how excited.
come on now.
What?
That's some funny right there.
Oh God. Beep. Beep. Look at how empty it is here. Look at this.
Come and see your dog.
Go, baby bear. Hi, baby girl. That's a good baby. That's a good baby. Go get daddy. Go get daddy.
Go get mommy.
Yes, hi, baby girl. Hello. Hi, honey. Hello.
Oh, that's a baby. Get a
I'll
drink.
get a drink. Atta girl. She
Get
gets
a drink.
very excited when we get home. And then Kaylee's just in here sleeping. Hi, baby. Hi, honey. You're a good girl. Yeah.
Kaylee excited to see us too?
Yeah, she could care less. He's not interested at all in the seed. He wants more juice in the hummingbird feeder. And here, oh, there's more than one. There's one up on top of the chair. Come on, focus. Ah, won't focus. And that looks like a female. Oh, that's too funny. The male's got the red on his head and the other one doesn't. They're not interested in the seed. But if they're like woodpeckers, they want sap and bugs. Oh, it's so funny. Hi, Kaylee. Enjoying the sunshine, baby girl?
So I'm sitting inside the RV working on a video, and I hear this noise out here. And I'm like, what the heck am I hearing?
What?
You know, they put people in prison for doing that sort of thing, and then they make them do that sort of thing.
I'm practicing.
What are you doing?
I'm just playing.
Uh-huh.
Playing with rocks.
Yeah, are those real rocks?
Look how pretty that is.
Uh-huh.
Quartz.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sure it's not soap?
I'm sure.
It's not funny.
Smells now.
Still not funny.
I know you really thought that that was a rock, and it would have been a very, very pretty rock had it been a rock.
It's not very nice.
I won't even say what Shauna said. People washed themselves.
Stop. Oh, looky here what I found in the desert.
Time to do a project, something we've been putting off. We have this plastic that we keep on the door over the screen, and we want to get rid of the tape, and we've tried different magnet solutions that did not work. And if you might remember back a couple months ago, month and a half ago, we went and got some of these. So we got these earth magnets that are super duper strong, and we bought extras. We bought these just to see if it would work, and it's going to work. They're really strong. But first, I need to get all the old magnets off and clean up all the gunk off of, see, like this one here, just to get it all cleaned up. And then we can install our handle. We bought a handle that goes across here, and we got that a year ago, and we still have not put it on. So, do we procrastinate much? Yeah. So here's the door handle that we have held on to. That's all dusty even. We've had it that long. It's embarrassing.
Didn't we buy this at the Big Tent last year?
Yep.
Well, who's Miss Procrastinator?
Mr. and Mrs. Procrastinator. Mr. So let's get this puppy on out.
Your typical,
more directions.
your typical door handle.
And hardware. And here's even picture directions.
I'll need those.
All right, let's see what this is. Oh, this is like a template.
Must be the right side and the left side.
Yeah, so it goes like this. Okay, so we're trying to figure out the where we're going to put the handle.
I think it should go right there.
Yeah.
So it rests on top of that lip right there.
Yep.
All right, so we'll put this side in first, and then we go to this side. And that way we can get out the measuring device and make sure it's equalized.
The what?
The measuring device and make sure it's equalized.
The level. To make sure it's level.
That's a measuring device, and it's going to equalize it from right to left.
Oh, spoken by a true electronics person. All right, let's get our level
Do I get to go get my drill?
Maybe. Heaven help us all. Well, that was an interesting process. So that the handle that you buy, you know, so you don't have to buy the exact size, they make it so that this bar is adjustable within these two handles. So it's kind of a process to get it correct. Ta-da! It's finally installed after a year. Ha!
Good. We now have a bar. I'd like to have a drink, please.
Yeah. Haha. Oh, good. Alrighty. Yay. That's about time. Time to run some errands. We need to go get some propane. We'll probably grab some lunch. And we are on a search again for some more earth magnets. We finally got the plastic all cut out for the doors. And we really do need some more magnets to hold it. When we tried using only a few, it still blows if the wind is blowing hard like it has been.
I think we need a total of 24 of them.
We need more. Yep. So, more. 14 more is what we need. But anyway, we're getting there. So I just taped a little bit to help the magnets that are on there stay. That's all we're doing today. We have some friends moving in close to us, which is good, seeing as how the encroachers had friends join them today.
Stop it! Right now, stop it.
We'll tell you about that later.
Stop it.
Oh, sure. You tell me to stop it. You're over there spying on them. Look how empty it is here. This place was full.
If it's so empty, why are people camping next to us? Oh, stop it!
Stop it!
Stop it!
Stop it. Look at the clouds. We're supposed to get some rain today.
Thunderstorms.
Some thunderstorm. Thunder. Well, we went and got our propane. It was $2.55 a gallon. That's including tax. So we got 3 tanks filled. We had lunch at Taco Mio. We both had chicken tacos. Bear got to sit up front a couple times. Looked like she was driving. It was pretty cute. We went to K&B Tools, the 2 different locations here, looking for the earth magnets, but they were out. One of the stores had little tiny ones, but those are not big enough, not strong enough, so we will have to keep looking. So that kind of wraps it up. It is starting to rain. Clouds have gotten darker. It's starting just to spit a little bit. Our friends that are coming up from Yuma said it was pouring there. So this is going to wrap it up for this week's edition of Throw Up Thursday. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to click the little bell to get notified anytime we put up a new video. Thank you again for watching. We appreciate you here. See ya!